Hi guys, Kriba here from Turbo Pine. So maybe if you have a trouble in deleting a assistant from the phone number in Vapi, so this video is for you. So first of all, you need to go to this Postman. So just type Postman API and then click on this link, then sign up, and it will take you to this page. So here we need to do multiple things. Super simple step. Yeah, first change this to patch, and then this URL I will put everything in a description. Yeah, so it needs to be patch and this URL here, the phone ID of your WebP phone number where you don't want the assistance to be. What do I mean? Okay, let me show you. Here, under the phone numbers in WebP, you copy this phone number ID. Sometimes you don't want assistance to be assigned to this phone number. Yeah, so we want to delete it for multiple reasons. For this, we copy the phone number ID where you want the assistant needs to be deleted, we put it here. You delete this one which you copied and you paste it here. Yeah, and then the next will be authorization, and we choose here bearer token, and we put our private VP API key. Where do we get this? On VP dashboard on API keys. If you look for a private key, it will be a private key. Just copy it and put it under the token section here. And then we go to headers will be content type application JSON. So you can just click on it and it will show you what needs to be done here. It's just like a drop down thing, so you can find the value here. And the body, make sure, I think it will be none at first, but make sure it's raw. And then just copy and paste this one. So I will put this in a description. The assistant ID will be null, meaning we are going to just delete the assistant from the phone number. Yeah, so this is how we do it, because how it will be helpful for us. Let's say you want to have a webhook, and then from that webhook the assistant ID will be picked up, and you can collect the customer phone number, this kind of stuff. Yeah, so hope this will be helpful for you, and I will put all the information which you needed in the description. Yeah, thank you.